Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix speaker not working on your Realme 16 Pro 5G. So first, what you guys want to do is check the volume levels in these settings. So let's quickly open up our phone. Now, we want to go over to the settings. So let's go over here. Now, let me quickly go back. And here, what we need to do is we need to scroll a bit down to sound and vibration. Now in sound and vibration, make sure that you increase all of the volumes right here. And once they are increased, what you guys want to do next is go over to the phone app, and you may ask why. Because you need to increase the call volume also. You cannot change it in the settings, you can change it right here. As you guys can see, we are at 200% now. And what you guys want to do next is clean your speaker grills with a soft brush. So we got the speaker grill right here. Now you guys want to clean it with a soft brush. Don't use anything metallic, because if you do, then you can damage them and there will be no sound at all forever. What you guys want to do next is go back into the settings. Now leave the sound and vibration and go to Bluetooth. Make sure that Bluetooth is disabled and that there's nothing here except for the Bluetooth and a gray switch, because we need to make sure that audio is not rerouted anywhere else or that no device is connected to our phone. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to restart our phone to refresh the entire system to get rid of any minor glitches. So we're going to press the power button, the volume up button, and swipe up to restart. Now the phone is restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once it's done restarting. Now after the restart, what you guys want to do is go over and, as a last resort, check for software updates. So let's go over into the settings. Now scroll down until you guys see system and update, click here, and now go to software update. It will check automatically. All you need is Wi-Fi connection. My version is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version, because on the older versions you get a lot of glitches. Now on the new ones, they are getting rid of it. So you need to update your software, and that's it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.